Imagine it is 1937, and across Germany, a new force begins to roll off the factory floors. The Opel Blitz 3.6-36S. This six-cylinder, 3.6-liter gasoline engine, producing 75 horsepower, roughly 56 kilowatts, is more than just a truck. It is a lifeline for an army about to reshape the face of warfare. With a torque of approximately 200 Newton meters, its engine hums steadily, a promise of reliability amid the chaos of battle. The 5-speed manual transmission, paired with a 4x2 rear-wheel drive layout, allows it to accelerate with purpose, reaching a top speed of 85 kilometers per hour, roughly 53 miles per hour, moving swiftly across European roads and war-torn landscapes alike. Its fuel tank holds 82 liters, roughly 21 gallons, giving it a range of 320 kilometers, approximately 199 miles, enough to carry troops and critical supplies deep into enemy territory without pause. The Opel Blitz is a commanding presence, measuring 6.05 meters in length, roughly 20 feet, 2.26 meters in width, roughly 7.4 feet, and 2.02 meters in height, approximately 6.6 feet. It dominates both roads and terrain. Its empty weight of 2,480 kilograms, roughly 5,469 pounds, grows to a gross weight of 5,800 kilograms, roughly 12,787 pounds when fully loaded. It can carry a payload of 3.31 tons, approximately 6,620 pounds, from ammunition crates and fuel barrels to wounded soldiers and artillery pieces. Its ground clearance of 220 millimeters, roughly 8.7 inches, allows it to traverse muddy, icy, and uneven terrain, while a turning radius of 13.1 meters, approximately 43 feet, ensures maneuverability even in the narrowest villages or forested paths. Climbing slopes of up to 41% gradient, the truck presses forward with determination, never hesitating, never faltering. On the battlefield, the Opel Blitz comes alive. The engine roars like a mechanical beast, tires biting into mud, snow, and shattered roads, the gearbox clicking and clanking with every gear change. Soldiers grip the sides as the truck lurches over frozen ground, feeling the vibrations beneath their boots, hearing the deep echo of exhaust blending with distant artillery fire. Convoys of these trucks stretch across landscapes, forming lifelines of steel and rubber. They deliver food, ammunition, fuel, and reinforcements across vast distances, carrying the Army's strength on wheels. The truck's versatility becomes legendary. In some formations, it hauls fuel tanks to frontline vehicles. In others, it carries the wounded, trembling under enemy fire, or serves as a platform for anti-aircraft weapons like the Flak 38, ready to unleash fire into the sky at attacking planes. The Opel Blitz 3.6-36S proves indispensable on every front. On the freezing Eastern Front, it powers through mud and snow, modified as half-track versions for the harshest conditions, while all-wheel drive variants conquer slippery slopes and rugged terrain. Artillery units rely on it to move cannons and supplies with precise timing, while infantry units ride atop its open beds, gripping crates and each other, as the truck rumbles over frozen rivers, through shell-scarred fields, and across shattered bridges. It is more than transportation. It is the pulse of the German military, relentless, dependable, and unyielding. Over 82,000 units of the 3.6-36S model are produced by August 1944, contributing to a total of roughly 130,000 Opel Blitz trucks in various configurations. These include long wheelbase variants, low chassis models, and specialized vehicles mounting machine guns, anti-aircraft cannons, or serving as makeshift ambulances. Its legacy extends beyond the battlefield. The Opel Blitz is celebrated in historical accounts, model collections, and video games like Forgotten Hope 2, where players experience its speed, power, and the tension of wartime convoys as they transport troops and supplies under enemy fire. Every detail of the Opel Blitz tells a story, from the deep rumble of its engine to the crunch of tires on cobblestones, the flex of suspension over potholes, and the sway of a full load over uneven terrain. Soldiers learned to trust it instinctively, knowing that each turn of its wheels carried them further from danger and closer to survival. It is a story of engineering mastery, of human ingenuity, responding to the demands of war, and of the enduring spirit of those who relied on it. The Opel Blitz 3.6-36S is not merely a truck. It is a witness to history, a rolling monument to the chaos, courage, and determination of a world at war. If this journey through the world of the Opel Blitz fascinated you, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore more legendary vehicles, relive their history, and experience the stories of machines that shaped the past and continue to capture our imagination today.